In this video I'm going to show you how you can upgrade the iOS image on your Cisco Catalyst switch. Before we do that, there's a couple of things that need explaining and a couple of things that you should check before carrying out this process. So what you're going to do first is obviously to go to the Cisco website and download the software. But before you do that, it's really important to read the release notes. On the Cisco website, in the section where you download the software, there's a link for the release notes for your specific software. So what you want to do is read that and fully understand what upgrading from your current software means. So it may mean extra features that you don't want running on your network. There may be no way to turn those features off, so that, something like that, it's important to consider what's going to happen to your switch when it's upgraded. Also, when you download the image, and say if you're waiting for downtime so you can upgrade the switch, you may store it on a server somewhere or on a USB disk. Before you install it, you want to run an MD5 checksum on it to make sure that, firstly, it hasn't been tampered with, and secondly, that there's no information missing, so that when you upload it to the switch, you can verify that all the bits and bytes have made it onto the switch. And I'll quickly show you how you can do that. And the command is called verify MD5. Sorry, no, it's not MD5. So it's verify /MD5, and then the file path. So file path. Let's find out a file first that we can do. Flash and let's do verify. And this is the iOS image I'm going to use to upgrade today. So we'll do that. And that's going to go away and verify that all the information is there. It's going to give you a string of characters at the end when it finishes. So this is what we're interested in. And on the Cisco website, there's a tool. I can't remember exactly what it's called. It's the software planner tool, I think. But it's in where you download the iOS images, and this is MD5 checksum. And what you want to look at is on the website, on the Cisco website, is to see if this string of characters is the same as what you've got here after you run the verify command. Okay, so the next important point to cover is make sure that you've got enough space on your flash disk on the switch to hold the new iOS image, especially if you're going to keep the old one on the disk as well. And it's very easy to verify that if you do a show flash command. Right at the bottom of the show flash command, you can see. Okay, so once you've verified all of the beginning steps, you're ready to apply new iOS image to your switch. So obviously you want to get it copied over. You can use a TFTP server to do that. If you don't know how to do that, I've got a video. Just browse my videos and it will show you how to use TFTP servers to get files on and off the Cisco iOS devices. Okay, so if we verify first what current image we have on the switch, we can do that with a show boot or a show version at the moment. So you can see I've got nothing in there, the boot path list. So what that is that's the switches command that's telling it what to boot, basically what image to boot, and it's going to be a file path like we've got here. And we can see what image we're running at the moment, the very top. So we're running 12.2 revision 5.5 EX3. So today I'm going to upgrade my switch from 12.2 to iOS 15.2. And the way I do that is using the boot command from global configuration mode. So boot system. Before that, you want to verify, so to get the file path to make it easier. So boot system, and then it's going to be flash, and then I want this particular file, the .bin file. You notice here in my flash, this denotes another directory. Yeah. So this is actually a directory. So within there is the current iOS image file. It's pretty deceiving, the .ex3. You'd think that's a file type. It's not. It's actually a directory, that is. and it's got some more files inside of it. So we can do boot system flash, and then the file path of my new iOS image, and hit enter. And then just to verify that that's actually now what the switch is going to boot, we can do show boot. And yeah, see, there's our file that we're going to boot. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save that, and then I'm going to reload the switch. So I'll pick you up again once the switch is reloaded. Okay, so the switch is reloaded. Now we're going to verify that our new iOS image has loaded properly. And the way we can do that is a simple show version. And we can now see that we're running version 15.2. So I hope this video has been useful for you. And if you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you.